everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am excited to show you how I use Notion as a student and content creator. Notion has become an essential tool in my productivity and creative process and I can't wait to show you all. So let's get into the video. Firstly, let's talk about how I use Notion as a student. So, as you all know, staying organized is crucial, but Notion has helped me do that. I have created different database for my courses ranging from assignments and study materials. I have also created a dedicated space for my coding related notes. Here is a glimpse into my Notion workspace. I have created separate page for coding notes. This page is a goldmine of coding related information, snippets and resources. I can easily refer this page whenever I am working on coding projects or learning new concepts. Now, let's get deeper into how I manage my tasks and readings using Notion. Check this out. I have set up weekly to-do list to keep track of my tasks for each week. Notion's checkboxes allow me to mark tasks as I complete them, giving me a sense of accomplishment as I go along. Additionally, I have dedicated reading lists where I stored articles, research papers, and recommended learnings. Now, let's to transition into how I use Notion for content creation. As a content creator, ideas strike upon at any moment, right? Notion flexibility allows me to capture those ideas and build upon them effortlessly. Here you can see my content ideas database. Whenever inspiration hits, I simply create a new page and jot down my thoughts. I add images, links, and even create to-do lists for the different steps in my content creation process. One of the most exciting experience I had with Notion was creating my very first portfolio. Now, let me walk you through how I created my first portfolio. I started by selecting a template from Notion's vast collection. Then, I customized it by adding sections for my project, skills, and a brief bio. Notion's drag and drop features made it incredibly easy to arrange everything exactly how I wanted. Notion offers a wide range of templates for various needs ranging from personal use to work to projects to school, etc. Let's make a quick tour of some of these templates available. As you can see, Notion provides templates for personal use, work related tasks, school projects, wikis, and even documentation. These templates are fantastic starting point to kickstart your Notion journey and customize them to suit your preference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.